Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi the only way. We'll begin by selecting a fresh head of napa cabbage, typically weighing around 2 to 3 pounds, and cutting it into manageable 2-inch pieces. The crucial first step is brining. You'll thoroughly coat the cabbage with about 1/4 cup of sea salt and let it sit for at least 2 hours. This process draws out moisture, creating that perfect crisp texture. After brining, rinse the cabbage 3 times under cold water to remove any excess salt, ensuring a balanced flavor. Next, we'll craft the heart of our kimchi, the paste. This vibrant mixture combines a generous 1/2 cup of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with 6 cloves of minced garlic and a 2-inch piece of grated ginger. For that essential umami, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or a vegan alternative like soy sauce. A tablespoon of sugar balances the flavors. Finally, fold in 1 cup of finely grated daikon radish and 4 chopped green onions, adding delightful crunch and freshness. Now comes the fun part, mixing. With clean hands, gently massage the vibrant paste into the brined and rinsed cabbage. Ensure every piece is thoroughly coated, distributing the flavors evenly. Once mixed, tightly pack the kimchi into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. This space is vital for the gases produced during fermentation. Let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for 1 to 5 days, depending on your desired tanginess. Once your kimchi has reached its desired level of fermentation, typically after a few days, transfer it to the refrigerator. The cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving its delicious flavor and texture. Stored properly in an airtight container, your homemade kimchi can last for several weeks or even months in the fridge. Enjoy this versatile and flavorful condiment as a side dish, in stews, or with rice. It's truly a culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.